there, we took 2 W's today. So I will show you guys that getting better as a trader, and I see myself getting better just in general. But I'm on YouTube. Welcome back to another video. It is John Trades, future entrepreneur, up and coming day trader, and up and coming YouTuber. We are back from a 15-day off period from YouTube. It really took me just like 15 days to just lock into trading, and as you guys can see right there, we took 2 W's today. So I will show you guys that now. But before we do that, I do want to say that I'm not gonna miss one upload in April. I'm gonna be uploading every single day in April. So 30 videos are coming out this month. It's a little challenge for myself. I do want to challenge myself, so I am going to challenge myself because I really want to do this social media thing, and I really want to become one of the top traders in this YouTube space. The only way to get to the top of the YouTube game is by putting in that work. And the little break from social media and editing and YouTube, and it feels great. It feels great. And now I'm back because it's a fresh month. It's the 31st right now, but you're seeing this on the 1st, I think. But yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys waiting here too long. So let's just get right into the trade recap, because these were beautiful, beautiful trades. So as you guys can see, this is a really good trading day for me. I took 2 trades today, one before 10 and another one after 10. I honestly, after the first one, I was gonna get off the charts, but I wanted to see, since we're still on demo, I wanted to see, let's see if I can do it another time. Let's see if I can get another trade. Let's see if my confluences play out. You know what I'm saying? So that's exactly what we did. So let me explain exactly what happened. So we come into market open 9:30. We're dumping down, right? We have resting liquidity here. We have resting liquidity here, here, and here. So all hourly liquidity got taken out. And if you look to the left, there's nothing left to take out, right? There's no direction into the market in sense of like liquidity, what the market's gonna chase in sense of liquidity. Like there's nothing to chase after that. So what I was thinking, like, okay, there's nothing to the left. So now we're gonna sweep out this area's liquidity, and we're gonna head the other way. We ended up sweeping the liquidity and kept going down, and we ended up starting to get a reverse wick here. So as you guys see, this trade I took is around. Am I lying? No. Oh yeah, around. Let me see. Around 9:53. What is it? 7 minutes before 10. So there's no news today. There was barely any news today. I'll show you guys real quick. No news Monday. So what I wanted to do was trade before 10 and after 10, because clearly you guys can see we took one here and one here. So we just go straight into the confluences. I'll mark it out for you here. We went off this fair value gap here. But before we went off that fair value gap, right, we got right here, we got a disrespect of this fair value gap here, so it turned into an inverse. I don't trade off inverses, but it's a good confluence to go into the upside, a really big confluence that we're gonna go the other way. We had a nice, I like to call this a V turn. I don't know, I like to call it like a V turn, basically, like, because it's shaped as a V. So that's really, it's like a strong up and down and up move, which indicates that we're gonna go higher. I'm pretty sure, I think this was a SMT. Let me see, I think this was a SMT. Why is it not working? I think this was a SMT. Am I tripping? I think I'm tripping. Well, there you are. I think this was a SMT here. I'm not too sure because I don't really trade SMTs, but that would have been another confluence if it was a SMT, if I traded SMTs. But yeah, so we ended up, disrespecting this fair value gap here. So that's a good indicator, like, oh, we're gonna go up. So we just wait for a gap to be created and left behind so we can run into it again. And you can see right here, we ran into it perfectly. We came out of it. We had the bullish candle close out of the fair value gap. 50 tick stop loss. So you guys can see right here, 50 tick stop loss here. And I really wanted to target this area of liquidity, but I ended up targeting the top of this. Was it the top? Yeah, the top of this fair value gap here. Right here. This fair value gap here, this bearish fair value gap. I ended up targeting that that top of that because this liquidity seemed out of reach. But this right here, I was willing to lose the trade if it didn't hit up here because we had so much buying momentum. We had so much volume. Oh, so much volume going into the market. So that's what I wanted to target. So that trade is over with. We went off a simple fair value gap, a simple low resistance liquidity get taken, fair value gap, and we're in after that fair value gap. So this level right here is relevant, so I'm gonna keep it there. Okay, so for the next trade was at 10.32. Yep, same concept every time. Low resistance liquidity gets taken, which is here. Even here, low resistance liquidity gets taken. We get moves up to the upside. Let me move this out of here. We get moves up to the upside. We get a fair value gap that gets left behind, right? We tap into the fair value gap and we get out. We get into the trade when it closes bullish. Obviously, my trade wasn't entered here. It was entered around here because I've seen so much volume in this candle that I was like, you know, let me just get in early so I can get a better position. So my stop loss could be a little tighter. It wasn't 50 ticks this time. It was at this low right here. So it was 40 ticks. So we targeted this high right here. So that's what I wanted. We got edged. What's this high? We got edged and then we came down. We hit break even point, then we got, you know, a bunch of consolidation here, but we ended up, you know, winning the trade at the end of the day. This was how long was this trade? A 30-minute trade. So it wasn't too crazy, but you know, we crushed it today. I'm really getting excited the way I'm trading, the way I've been trading. I'm really getting excited. Like, let me put you guys, I'm getting excited. You know, the way I've been trading this past month, a lot of people are saying his March has been really bad, but for me it's been, you know, amazing. You know, just me not over risking or over trading, just one trade per day. I know today I took 2 trades, but that was just, you know, a little experiment for me because I see myself getting better as a trader and I see myself getting better just in general with trading. So that's pretty much the trade recap. So let's just get right into our day. All right, so we are on the way to the gym. I'm picking up my boy now, waiting for him. But while I wait for him, let me just get this little clip out of the way. We're gonna head to the gym. We took 2 trades today, one at 9:53 and one at 10:50. I'm lying, 9:53 and then 10:32, I think it was. So, you know, I'm saying the trading for me has been going great. You know, I've been just really locked in on demo. Yes, it's demo. I understand it's demo. But you gotta really, like, for me it's been the consistency, just one trade a day, one trade a day, one trade a day. Today I took 2 because my confidence was high after the first trade, so I wanted to see what can I really do, and let's see if it's actually luck. Let's see if it's not luck and it's actually skill, you know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, no, I'm on my way to the gym now. We're gonna go head to the gym, get a quick workout in. I don't know what I'm gonna hit today, but I'm gonna hit something. There's really no time to waste. We gotta stay productive. We gotta stay on our game. We gotta keep going every single day, pushing every single day. That's what I'm gonna be doing for the next 30 days.
GD.
Post gym, we got chicken, half avocado, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and keep editing this video. That's pretty much it. So we traded, we went to the gym, We did the trade recap. We did everything that we had to do. I'll have some time to myself. So now I'm about to pick up this control right here, and I'm about to play some Warzone, because you know, I've been working all day, you know, have some little bit of hour downtime until later. All right, so a couple hours later, I ended up finding on what idea, what the lighting. I ended up what ideas that I want to do for the shorts. Basically, there's these people on already like doing shorts and reels on like basically me trading live, which I think that's what I'm gonna do, you know, showing the profit and showing the trade live. And that's a start, and I'm probably gonna do like the intro of the video and everything. It's just a lot of things that I gotta do, but this is gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday, another trading session. Hopefully we can have the nice momentum that we had today, we can bring it on tomorrow. So if you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.